Benedikte. I am the founder of Chocolate, and today we are going to make a beautiful chocolate cake. Me and my darling little baby. she's 6 years old, and this is Isabella. And we have made a Norwegian delight. It's very good, common actually Norwegian cake, which we often make for Christmas, but also Easter time. So the taste is rich on coffee, and we use a lot of coconut fat in it, so that will distinct the taste as well. And we have been sitting here watching at some to see if I could find some pictures in some of my cookbooks, but I didn't find a good picture. So I have a picture here which is beautiful on my computer, so you can see how it's going to look like in the end. This is the Delphia cake. Of course, our version will be a little bit more homemade, but it's still delicious. So if you are interested in this recipe, watch the video and see how we make it. You don't have to cook it in any oven. You make it in the refrigerator, which is very positive. I hope you will enjoy it as much as we do. So watch the video and pop me a comment down below if you like it or if you have any questions. Okay, bye bye. 250 grams of coconut fat,